Welcome back, or welcome if you're new to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I achieved this nice spring nail set. Those were all the items that I used, so if you want to see how I accomplished this nail look, stay tuned. So I already prepped my nails and got my peel-off base on. So these will be Gel X nails, and I will be using the Apres Extend Gel in a bottle in the color Carla. I wanted my nail bed to have a nice nude color. My tips will be marbled, so you won't be able to see the tip. The one big thing with Gel X nails is that you have to learn how much of the gel to use in the tip to apply it to your nail so you won't have any spillage. Again, that takes time and practice, and you'll be able to put these on with no issue of spillage. Otherwise, I believe Gel X nails is the way to go. They're super easy and they are very beginner friendly. Now here I had a little spillage, so I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna clean that up with my e-file. So I did buff the shine off the nails. I don't have to do much shaping because they're already the perfect shape. I just have to straighten the bottom out where that little piece is that all nail tips have. I did 3 layers of this new gel polish. I say this on every video, make sure to cure in between each layer of gel polish you place on your nail, and cure it for the time that whatever product you're using is telling you to cure it for. The blooming gel is the exception. You do not want to cure the blooming gel prior to putting any gel polish on top of it, because the whole purpose of the blooming gel is for that gel polish to expand and bloom out. And if it's cured, it can't do that. Now, if you made it this far in my video, please consider liking, subscribing to my channel, and turning on that notification bell so you will be notified each and every time I post a video. So remember guys, when you do a marble, to go in with the shiny top coat first, then use your matte top coat. This helps protect my lines from looking blurry or messy. We're going to do some highlighting with Madame Glam's gel paint. Remember, Madame Glam's gel paint does not need a top coat on top, so this will be the last thing we put on the nail.